Tug A, holding position on the bow.
Roger that. Lines 2 and 3 are secure.
Main engine, slow astern.
All right, team, final sweep of the main deck. Make sure everything is secured.
Roger that. Moving forward now.
All right, everyone, eyes front. We are reviewing the final operational procedures and safety schematics before deployment. Pay close attention.
Every line of steel is engineered for decades at sea. This is where steel learns how to float.
I'm concerned about the weapon systems clearance in this section here.
It checks out. Lock the layers. The design is approved.
Crane 1, you are clear to lift. Bring it across to the number 3 bay. Set it down gently, align with the markers.
Hold position. All right, easy down. Confirm the keel is set. Easy now, watch your alignment on the port side.
Roger that. Bringing it back right. Stay steady as she goes.
Readings look good here. Confirmed. Market is passed, and let's move on.
We should secure this section before moving forward. Agreed. The torque is set on the bolts.
And the digital overlay confirms the route designation.
Descent is steady, approaching final alignment. Check laser guides now.
Guides confirmed green. Lowering to contact point, very slow.
Torquing sequence initiated.
Green on Sector 4, Commander.
Set the receiver. We are reading 0.01. Adjust the starboard shim. That's it. Lock it down.
All right, she's seated. Clean engagement confirmed. Start the securing sequence on Mount Charlie.
Rotation test commencing. All parameters green.
Power transfer is smooth. Alignment approved.
Latch is secured, Admiral. The switchboard is fully seated. Pressure stabilizing right in the green zone. Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Initiate system synchronization across all platforms.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Console is seated. Confirmed, we are locked and aligned.
Check the compression on the starboard side. Make sure it's fully seated before engaging the clamps.
Signal integrity successful. Systems, go.
Run level 1 diagnostics on the navigation array.
Diagnostics complete. All systems fully integrated.
Synchronization confirmed. All systems operational.
Helm, navigation, report status.
All systems green, Commander. Course confirmed. Ready for sea trials.
Very good. Helm, engage primary propulsion.
Electrical distribution stabilizing. Check the propulsion cycling.
Green on all counts. Platform is fully integrated.
Rudder alignment is within tolerance, Commander. By the authority vested in me, I hereby declare this warship the culmination of your tireless efforts, ready for launch.
Trim and list are stabilizing. We have achieved neutral buoyancy.
Confirmed. The hull is fully stable.
Bridge, tug A, holding position on the bow.
Roger that. Lines 2 and 3 are secure.
Main engine, slow astern.
Helm, starboard 20. Test the response.
Starboard 20 applied. Ship is answering smoothly.
All harbor trials are complete. Propulsion metrics are nominal.
Data confirms integrated platform stability. We are ready for open sea.
Approaching 4,000 RPM.
Telemetry holding steady. Propulsion verified.
Environmental control validation complete. All zones are stable, maintaining set points across the platform.
All sea trial parameters met or exceeded, Director.
Excellent work, Chief. Readiness gate authorized for the next phase.
Initiating formal acceptance sequence. Time check.
Propulsion levels nominal.
Electrical stability holding steady. Ship services fully compliant. We have a confirmed pass.
Helm, maintain course 290. Prepare for station rotation.
Aye, Commander.
Standing by.
Checklist item 4, helm control transfer complete, sir.
Initiating emergency isolation sequence.
Compartment sealed. Evacuate immediately to muster point 3.
The certification is complete, sir. All archives are locked.
All right, team, final sweep of the main deck. Make sure everything is secured.
Roger that. Moving forward now.
It is my distinct honor to accept delivery of this warship. She stands ready for service, a testament.
The Secretary of the Navy has placed this ship in commission. Chief of the boat, man our ship and bring her to life.
All right, everyone, eyes front. We are reviewing the final operational procedures and safety schematics before deployment. Pay close attention.
Engineering systems passing readiness checks. Propulsion synchronized.
All systems reporting green. Operational parameters met.
Confirmed. The support channels are now fully active. All personnel contacts are registered, and warranty coverage is in effect.
The training modules are complete. Your certifications are hereby confirmed.
Watch your starboard side clearance on sign. Correct your angle now.
Correcting to 2 degrees, right rudder, sir.
Very well. Stand down, simulation complete.
The structural margins around the missile silos look good.
Yes, the current tolerances allow for the new VLS package without major hull modification.
Interface checks pass. Constraints document.
Fleet maps align. Status locks green.
The framework clearly defines the timelines for decommissioning and disposal.
What about the environmental safeguards for hull dismantling?
Those are detailed in Appendix 2, Commander.
Final documentation review complete. Ready to lock compliance.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Status locked.
Thank you for your incredible work on this vessel.
All right, team, let's move to the new hull. Hustle up.
Admiral, the final logistics deliverables are confirmed.
The accounts are reconciled and the closeout notices have been sent.
Excellent work. We are clear for final payment.
That's the last one secured. What a build. Incredible work, team. All right, let's move on to the next one.